Everyone, this is another pandemic traveler video, and today I'm at Clovelly Beach, which is one of my favorite beaches. It's just past Randwick, and as you can see, it's on, I don't know what you would call this, but a big sort of concrete block sort of thing on either side. One side has the lifeguards, the other and a swimming pool, and this side is like basically where all the locals come. So this is where I normally come to, and there's also a beach in the middle. So there's the beach. A lot of people usually bring their kids down there. I'll bring you a little bit closer in case you can't see too well, but most of the families and kids usually come down here because it's a little bit safer, the water's not so deep, and they set themselves up there for the day. On the other side here you have the lifeguards and the shop, and also a saltwater swimming pool. And I really like this place because you can come over on, I always come to this side, which is, I think basically if you come down and you're standing at the sand looking at the water, it's the left hand side. I think usually locals come to this side because all of the signs lead you, like if you're driving here, all of the signs that point towards the beach lead you towards the right hand side, because that's where the parking is. But yeah, I don't like that side. I like to come to this side. What else can I think about the place? I really like it because, as you can see, there's like the concrete bit, and you can just jump straight into the water instead of walking incrementally like from the sand and walking into the water, and you slowly get wet, which I really can't handle that. So I like to come down here, sit on the concrete. You don't have to get any of the sand on you, and you can just, you know, jump straight into the water. Today it looks a little bit low tide, but I still managed to jump into the water. It's actually, it was actually a lot lower when I got here, but I still managed to jump in. So the water's pretty clear. A lot of people like to come down here and do snorkeling because they've got gropers, which are these really large fish, and other wildlife and stuff down here. So, you know, it's just a really nice place, nice view. And there's even a few barbecues and little area just sort of like up there somewhere. And on the other side, a lot of people like to sit on the grassy knolls and stuff. So yeah, once again, this is a pandemic traveler video. If I've left anything out, please feel free, that you might like to know, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you know anyone that might be interested in my channel, please share it with them. Once again, Pandemic Traveler, thanks for watching.